Hi and welcome to Show's classes. Today we are going to be dealing with some MCQ questions on chemistry. Don't worry, we'll teach you how to solve them also. Now we are given a organic compound with chlorine in one of its ring. We need to figure out what happens when we treat that with NaOET and EtOH. Let's see how to do that. Now writing the compound in the skeletal form, let's see what happens. Upon flipping, this is the figure that we obtain. Now let's see what happens further. Now this figure is equivalent to, the product will be, this will be the actual product that will be obtained. So this corresponds to number A of the MCQ that we have. Let's move on. Now we need to find the mesoform of number 1 and number 2 molecules. Let's see what it comes to. For a molecule to be a mesoisomer, there must be an asymmetric carbon atom as well as a plane of symmetry. The plane of symmetry can be found out by this will not be the plane of symmetry. The reason being, there exists bromine and over here it exists chlorine. Thus, due to absence of plane of symmetry, this is not a mesoform. Now, let's see what a mesoform looks like. Now, this is what a mesoform looks like. Notice there exists chlorine on both sides, CH3 on both sides and hydrogen on both sides. This can be considered as a mirror image of each other. Therefore, this is a 2s3r type of mesoform, and this corresponds with number B. Now we need to consider the incorrect element or the incorrect sentence from A, B, C and D. Let's analyze each one first. A. MgO and Na2O is given and as said are basic. In fact, this is correct, and SiO2 is acidic, which is also correct. Thus, A should not be considered. Notice here we need to find the not correct version. Now B, the atomic radius decreases in a period from left to right, which is absolutely correct. Now for number C, the order of first ionization energy K less than mgCa. What do you think? Is this correct? Absolutely not. The order of the first ionization energies will be K greater than magnesium greater than calcium. So the third one is an incorrect one. Let's check the fourth one. I'll clear the screen for you to read the sentences. Now we are given bond energies CC bond, SiO bond and NN bond. This is in fact correct. All the three are in the correct order. Thus, in this case, the only not correct version is number C. Let's try out another question. Now we need to consider the reaction given to us. Over here we have NH2SO3H with a benzene ring. When treated with NaNO2 HCl at 5 degrees Celsius and ethanol, let's see how this diazotization reaction takes place. This compound that is given to us is known as p-amino benzene sulfonic acid. Now, when this acid is treated with sodium nitrite, that is NaNO2, in presence of HCl at 5 degrees Celsius, this process is known as a diazotization reaction. Diazotization reaction is a process by which aromatic amines are converted to diazonium salts. Let's see what the reaction will be. We obtain diazonium chloride. Now in the second phase there will be a coupling reaction, that is in diazonium chloride in presence of alcohol undergoes a coupling reaction, and it leads to the formation of the following compound. Notice there exists now a triple bond between nitrogen out here that undergoes this coupling reaction and connecting the ethanol into this diazonium chloride, and this is the diazonium salt.